Can you show me around a little bit of the shop?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look.
My name is Mauricio Perez. The name of my shop is the Car Clinic of Houston.
So as we walk here, can you tell me like what is this over here?
Okay, over here we do wheel alignment. This is the bay for doing the wheel alignments. But of course we use anything we need, like oil changes. This is another bay to do lift the cars and do any type of repair.
Okay. This one of your main guys right here working on it?
Yeah, that's my we only, it's a family work only.
Oh, you do?
Just family.
Everybody
Yeah.
like...
Like here's my son, my daughter's in the office, my wife, she's on the paperwork doing in the back in the office.
Oh, that's cool. And the whole time you've been open, it's always been like a family business?
All the time.
Yeah. And do a lot of family come to get their car fixed here?
Yeah, they do.
So if somebody was in a car accident and then they just pulled up here, what would the process be like working with you?
First, we need to get information on the insurance. It's either from the other person or the person that bring the car. And then I call the insurance and I talk to any adjuster. They're gonna ask me if they wanna estimate or they're gonna do it on their own.
Right.
So pretty much. But once the car is here, I can take care of everything.
If they need more money to fix the car, you could call the insurance and handle that part for them, or how does that work?
Okay, the way it works, like, let's say they bring the estimate from the insurance, like $2,000 for the repair. Then when I start doing the process, taking all the parts out, because there's more parts that sometimes they're broken inside, like any support, bracket, things like that. So then I call them with an estimate of the supplement. So that way the repair is perfectly original.
Gotcha. That hidden damage that you can't see just from a photo. You get in there and you could see the damages and then you gotta ask for more money for it.
Yeah, because they just say they only see it from outside. Pretty much whatever they can see, but when the time comes to take them apart everything, you'll be surprised. There's a lot of things that can be damaged.
And how has that been working with different insurance companies? Are there some companies that you like working with easier than others?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Some of them are easy. I just call them, give them the estimates, send the pictures, the repair and everything. So okay, go ahead and fix it, no problem.
Good.
Other companies that are hassle.
Right.
You have to be calling
You gotta
back
call
and back.
Yep.
And then waiting for the adjuster to come to the shop, and it takes sometimes days to come. So the process is very, very long.
The gist of it?
Pretty much, we have what I do, transmission repairs, like, and pretty much I have 3 bays to work on and the body work.
Okay.
So pretty much it's a full garage. We do everything.
Right.
Whatever your car needs, we can do here.
And just family.
Just
Family.
Yeah.
What if they get married into the family? then maybe they can get a job?
Yeah, of course. Somebody like it, have a
Yeah.
passion for this type of industry.
Right.
Yeah.
I was going to ask, so what made you want to start this body shop, this whole complete auto mechanic shop?
Well, in the beginning, I was just regular mechanic. I was working in the Ford dealer for 8 years.
Oh, Ford, you worked for Ford, okay.
And then I worked for Mercedes for like 3 years. Well, pretty much I've been working all over the place. But like anybody, everybody wants to have his own. So I collect money, save money, sacrifice to buy this place.
Yeah. How long did it take you to like save up to want to say, okay, I'm going to start my own shop now?
Probably like 5 years.
5 years, yeah. Was it very rewarding and exciting when you were able to finally like get your own shop?
Oh, of course, they're very excited. You come with a hungry to make to make it up.
Right.
To get up in life.
Right. Gotcha. And what would you say the favorite thing about working at this shop and helping people with the cars is for you?
It's very satisfaction, because I can tell you too many thousand stories, that people come because other people want to screw it up.
Right.
And I'm an honest guy, I've been working in a dealership and I saw a lot of things, my co-workers, they do bad. And I learn from there.
Right.
And my kids, if you're honest, you're gonna have a lot of work.
Gotcha.
And pretty much that's, I can say that's, because I already finished paying my business and the property.
Right.
That's success, And now after that you make your money, but at the end of it you feel good with yourself.
Right, because you've done things the right way.
Exactly.
You reap what you sow. right? If you're doing the right thing, then you're gonna get back the right thing.
I'm not superstitious, but I believe in karma.
Yeah.
Whatever you do bad, you get it back.
It's gonna come back. Yeah. So you didn't get away with anything. It's just a matter of time before it comes back. And same thing for good. You're doing good. Maybe no one sees, but in a matter of time, it usually comes back to you.
And it's like any other business, goes up and down. But I mean, I feel very proud that I'm pretty busy most of the time.
Right. Cool. Good deal. I think that was great. Thank you so much. I
Thank you.
appreciate your time, man.